Selling your car in Wyoming? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Wyoming Certificate of Title, issued by the Wyoming Department of Transportation. Everything you sign is on the back, and one thing makes Wyoming different from most states. Your signature has to be notarized, so don't sign anything until you're in front of a notary. Use blue or black ink only, no other colors, no pencil or marker, and don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1, and the most important, don't sign yet. In front of a notary, sign the signature of seller line on the back. If two owners are listed on the title, both must sign, and if your title was issued before 2020, or you're in a county like Carbon or Bighorn, everyone may need to sign, so check with your county clerk if you're unsure. Step 2, where it reads, the odometer now reads, write your current mileage, whole miles only, no tenths. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old, so if you're not sure whether yours qualifies, just enter the reading. Read it straight from your dashboard. Step 3, fill in the buyer's name on the purchaser line and their mailing and physical address just below. Step 4, print your full name on the print name of seller's line, matching the name shown on the title. Step 5, the notary completes the seller's notary statement, the section marked must be notarized. They fill in the date, the county, and their commission information and stamp it. That's what makes your signature official in Wyoming. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it, either on the title itself or with a separate lien release letter. The one thing you can't skip in Wyoming, get it notarized. Don't sign the title until you're in front of a notary. A signature added beforehand won't count. If two owners are listed, both sign, and some older titles in certain counties may need all owners, check with your county clerk. One more thing, your plate stays with you, not the car. Take it off before the buyer drives away and move it to your next vehicle.